Yes, thank you.
Ariana, Cynthia, give me a photo, give me a photo.
Can you stop right here? Ariana, right here. Cynthia.
Ariana, straight ahead.
Right ahead, to your right, to your right, to your right.
Straight ahead, Ariana, straight ahead.
Can we get solo? Solo fashion, please. Solo.
The legacy of these two wonderful characters, these wonderful women, and hopefully inspiring people to lead with love and strength and vulnerability and kindness too.
Yeah, I honor that and just bring it to this audience in a different and new way. We're so grateful to have been chosen to do that because we've taken so much from these characters too that we needed, and I hope that the audiences can also take what they need from these girls as well.
We're lucky enough to have John Chu, who's an amazing director who's taken great care of us and the piece and everyone who is involved with it, and it starts from the top. And what that meant was that we had the space to create intimacy within these roles and within these
this world that is larger than life.
Yeah.
You know, we had the privilege of grounding in a really intimate and honest way, while working in the largest, most spectacular sets. It was a beautiful journey.
Everywhere, you're on every street corner, you're in my algorithm. I mean, like, it's a lot. How is it for you guys to be in the center of all this?
We're following you guys home and into the cereal boxes, and you look under your bed, and we're like, "Hi, have you seen it yet?"
You know, all of that stuff. Yeah.
About it.
But it's been insane and wonderful, and we're really, really lucky to be a part of this huge carry on this legacy.
You both know what it's like to be in a Broadway company and to sort of come from that world. And you think about Wicked and how long it's run and how many actresses have gotten to do these roles and say these lines and sing these.
And so many women have loved them the way that we love them, and we're lucky to be a part of that family.
And then our intention was to really take care of them. And an absolute privilege. They're so warm and inviting, and we hope we do them proud.
We worked so hard.
That's right.
And we cared so much about it, and we are those Wicked fans who have been waiting for this for 21 years. We just so happen to be lucky enough to have been chosen to be a part of it, and we know what a big responsibility that is, and you know, we worked really hard to take care of it. So when they meet us with that love, and when they do show us so much positivity, it's just really, there are no words. We're so grateful.
Second languages, to be honest, we're fans of it, and I think in this particular film we are lucky enough to have Paul Tazwell, who makes these incredible costumes to tell the story through the clothes that we wear. He knows us intimately and loves the fact that we love fashion, so made sure that those costumes felt good for us to wear too.